Did you know that castor oil has been a trusted remedy for centuries, with the power to address up to 8 different health issues overnight? This ancient oil is not just a relic of old-school medicine. It holds remarkable benefits that could transform your daily wellness routine. For instance, let's talk about a pesky problem that plagues many of us: chapped lips. How many times have you slathered on lip balm only to find no relief? It's beyond frustrating. But what if I told you that a simple spray of castor oil could be your ultimate solution? You might want to stick around until the end. There could be at least one benefit that could make a real difference in your life. Here's why it works so well. As we get older, our lips become more sensitive and lose moisture faster. The cold winter winds or blazing summer sun can strip them of hydration in no time. And since our lips don't have oil glands like the rest of our skin, they need a little extra help. That's where castor oil comes in. Packed with fatty acids and vitamin E, it's an amazing natural moisturizer that replenishes and nourishes your lips. Applying it is super easy too. Just spray a drop or two of castor oil onto your fingertip and lightly dab it onto your lips. The ideal time to do this: right before bedtime. Why? Because at night your skin is in full repair mode and absorbs nutrients more effectively. So by the time you wake up, your lips will be soft, smooth, and ready to face the day. No more waking up to dry, cracked lips. It's that simple. Spraying castor oil on the heels to treat cracked and dry feet. Castor oil is a fantastic natural solution for tackling those stubborn cracked heels and dryness. Its thick, nourishing texture makes it perfect for providing deep hydration and leaving your skin softer and smoother than ever. The best part? It's super simple to use. All you need to do is spray a few drops of castor oil onto the problem areas and gently massage it in. The oil quickly absorbs into the skin, sealing in moisture and helping to repair rough, dry patches. For the best results, try applying it before you hit the sack. After spraying and massaging the oil into your heels, slip on a pair of clean cotton socks. This will keep the oil in place, giving it plenty of time to work its magic while you sleep. When you wake up, you'll be amazed at how much softer and more hydrated your feet feel. With regular use, you'll see those dry, cracked heels transform into smooth, healthy skin in no time. Spraying castor oil on the navel to boost immunity. You might find this surprising, but did you know that your belly button can actually play a role in your overall health? Yep, for generations, traditional remedies have highlighted the benefits of applying oils, especially castor oil, right onto the navel area. You see, the belly button is connected to numerous nerves throughout the body, and castor oil, famous for its healing properties, is believed to help activate these nerves, providing a gentle boost to your immune system. Curious to try it? Here's how. Start by lying down and spray a small amount of castor oil onto your belly button. Gently massage it in circular motions for about a minute or two. The ideal time for this is before bed, so your body has all night to soak up the oil's goodness. While there isn't a ton of scientific research backing this specific method, it's a popular practice in traditional medicine, and many swear by its effectiveness. Sometimes the simplest, most natural remedies can be incredibly nurturing. Another benefit: spraying castor oil under the eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Alright, let's dive into one of the most common beauty woes: those stubborn dark circles and puffy under-eye bags that seem to appear out of nowhere, especially as we get older. Even after a solid night's sleep, they can make us look tired and worn out. But here's some good news. Castor oil might be the natural fix you've been looking for. Just a tiny bit of this oil under your eyes can help reduce puffiness and gradually lighten those dark circles. So, why does it work so well? Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which has natural anti-inflammatory properties. When you apply it under your eyes, it soothes the skin, reduces swelling, and helps calm down puffiness. Plus, castor oil is an excellent moisturizer. The skin under the eyes is super delicate and tends to show dehydration and dryness quickly. By using a little castor oil, you're helping to lock in moisture, which not only smooths out fine lines but can also brighten the under-eye area over time. Now let's talk application. The best time to use castor oil is right before bed. This way, it has all night to work its magic while you sleep. Just spray a tiny amount onto your fingertip or use a cotton swab and gently dab it under your eyes. Start at the inner corner and move outward. Make sure to use a light touch because the skin in this area is super sensitive and needs to be handled with care. Some people see results in just a few days, while others may need a couple of weeks. But the secret is consistency. Incorporating it into your nightly routine can lead to a more hydrated, brighter under-eye area. And if you're worried that the oil might feel too heavy, don't be. While castor oil is thick, It absorbs well into the skin, especially overnight. So, next time you catch a glimpse of those tired eyes in the mirror, remember, a little castor oil might be all you need to refresh and rejuvenate the under-eye area. Give it a try and see how this simple, natural remedy fits into your nightly routine. Spraying castor oil on the lower back to relieve pain and muscle tension. Let's be real, my friend. Lower back pain can be a real downer. Whether it's from sitting at a desk all day, poor posture, or just everyday stress, that aching discomfort can make even the simplest tasks feel like a chore. But here's a little natural remedy that might just help. Spraying some castor oil on your lower back. Castor oil is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can work wonders on sore muscles. Just spray a little bit onto the lower back and massage it in gently. This helps the oil sink deep into the skin, soothing those tense muscles and boosting blood circulation. The warmth generated by the massage also helps the oil absorb faster, bringing quicker relief. So, how do you use it? It's as easy as it gets. Simply spray some castor oil directly onto your lower back. Use your fingers to massage it in circular motions for a few minutes. The best time to do this is before bed, so the oil has all night to work its magic while you sleep. For an extra boost, lay a warm towel over the area to further relax the muscles and enhance the oil's effects. After just a few nights, you'll likely notice the difference. And this isn't just for those random occasional aches. Make it part of your regular self-care routine to keep your lower back feeling loose and relaxed. It's a simple, natural way to give your body some TLC. Now let's switch gears and talk about another concern many of us face: hair thinning and loss. As we get older, it's not unusual for our hair to lose its fullness. But castor oil can help address this issue naturally. When you spray a little castor oil onto your scalp, it not only helps stimulate hair growth, but also strengthens the follicles. That's because castor oil is loaded with essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which nourish the scalp and support healthier hair growth. To make the most of it, just spray a small amount of castor oil directly onto your scalp and massage it gently. This boosts blood circulation to the hair follicles, bringing more nutrients to the roots, which can result in stronger, thicker hair over time. For best results, try applying it before bedtime and let it work overnight. With regular use, you'll likely notice your hair feeling fuller and looking healthier. So, whether you're dealing with lower back pain or want to give your hair a little extra love, castor oil might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Why not give it a try? Sometimes, the simplest routines can make the biggest difference. Next benefit: spraying castor oil on cuts and scrapes to speed up healing. Minor cuts and scrapes are just part of everyday life, but they can take longer to heal as we get older. That's where castor oil can lend a helping hand. Thanks to its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, this natural remedy can help speed up the healing process and reduce the chances of infection. Wondering how to use it? It's super easy. First, make sure to clean the affected area with water and a mild antiseptic to get rid of any dirt or debris. Once it's clean, spray a small amount of castor oil directly onto the cut or scrape. The oil forms a protective barrier over the wound, keeping out bacteria and dirt while locking in moisture. This creates the perfect environment for your skin to heal, because castor oil's fatty acids also support skin regeneration. For the best results, apply the oil twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. If the cut is in a spot that's likely to get rubbed or exposed, consider covering it with a clean bandage after applying the oil. This will not only protect the wound, but also allow the castor oil to soak deeper into the skin, promoting quicker healing. It's a simple yet effective way to help those minor wounds heal faster without relying on harsh chemicals. So next time you get a little cut or scrape, reach for some castor oil and let this natural remedy do its thing. Spraying castor oil on the scalp to treat dandruff. Now let's tackle another common concern: dandruff. Those white flakes can be stubborn, leaving your scalp dry and itchy. But castor oil can be a simple, natural remedy to help with this issue. Thanks to its thick, nourishing properties, castor oil moisturizes the scalp while targeting one of the main causes of dandruff: fungal growth. The secret lies in castor oil's high content of ricinoleic acid, which has antifungal and antibacterial benefits. When you apply it to your scalp, it helps fight off the fungus responsible for dandruff while deeply hydrating your skin, reducing dryness and flaking. To use it, spray a small amount of castor oil directly onto your scalp, focusing on the areas where dandruff is most prominent. Massage it in gently with your fingertips for a few minutes to ensure it penetrates well. For best results, leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight if you prefer. Then, rinse it out with a mild shampoo. Try this treatment 2 to 3 times a week, and you should notice a healthier, flake-free scalp over time. With just a little effort, castor oil can help you manage both brittle nails and dandruff naturally and effectively. Give it a shot and see the difference for yourself. Now, moving on to what to avoid when using castor oil. When using castor oil, there are a few things you want to avoid to get the most out of its benefits without any hassles. Let's go through some essential tips to keep in mind. First, remember that a little castor oil goes a long way. It's a thick oil, so using too much can leave you with greasy hair or skin that's difficult to clean. Just a light application is all you need to see results. Overdoing it can not only be messy, but might also clog your pores, leading to breakouts. The key is balance. Regular small amounts will work better than overloading your skin or hair with excess oil. Next up, always choose pure organic castor oil. Trust me, it makes a difference. Oils mixed with chemicals or additives can irritate your skin and reduce the natural benefits. So, take a moment to read the label and go for high-quality, cold-pressed options. You don't want to compromise on quality when it comes to something you're applying to your skin or hair. Before using castor oil for the first time, it's smart to do a quick patch test. Apply a tiny bit to the inside of your wrist and wait 24 hours. Keep an eye out for any redness, itching, or irritation. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to avoid using it altogether. Better safe than sorry, right? If you have any open wounds or cuts, it's wise to skip applying castor oil to those areas. It might cause irritation or discomfort. Wait until the wounds have healed a bit before trying any topical applications. When it comes to temperature, avoid heating up castor oil before use. High temperatures can damage its natural properties, so it's best to use it at room temperature. This way, you preserve all the nutrients and healing benefits. For those applying castor oil to their hair, make sure to wash it out thoroughly. Because it's so thick, any leftover residue can leave your hair feeling heavy and greasy. Use a gentle shampoo to remove the excess oil and keep your hair fresh and light. Also, keep in mind that daily use isn't necessary. Castor oil works wonders when used 2 to 3 times a week. Overuse can clog pores and make your skin feel oily, which could lead to other issues. So, stick to moderation to achieve the best results. Pay attention to your body. If you notice any redness, itching, or discomfort after using castor oil, stop immediately. This could be a sign of sensitivity or an allergic reaction. If the symptoms persist, consult with a healthcare professional. It's always best to listen to what your body is telling you. One last thing, protect your clothes and furniture. Castor oil can stain fabrics, so if you're applying it to your skin or hair before bed, consider covering the area with a towel or cloth to avoid staining your pillows, sheets, or clothes. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. That way, everyone can enjoy the benefits of castor oil safely and effectively. Check my other video on using castor oil before bed. I think you'll find it very informative.